Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Tech channel. Today, we're diving deep into a prediction that could reshape our entire world. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, recently stated that the cost of running each level of AI is going to fall tenfold every single year. That's not a typo. 10x cheaper every year. Now, before you start imagining robot butlers and self-driving everything, let's really break down what this means. Is this the key to unlocking unprecedented progress? Or are we accelerating towards a future where robots take our jobs and leave us behind? Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Okay, so a 10x cost reduction sounds amazing, right? But what does it actually mean in practical terms? Imagine you're a small business owner. Right now, implementing AI solutions like customer service chatbots or data analysis tools might be too expensive. But if those solutions become 10 times cheaper every year, suddenly they're within reach. We're talking about leveling the playing field, giving smaller companies the tools to compete with the giants. And it's not just businesses. Researchers, developers, even everyday consumers could have access to AI tools that were previously unimaginable. Think personalized education, AI-powered healthcare, and so much more. But that's just the surface. The real implications are far more complex. Let's break down the immediate, first-level impacts. First, expect a massive surge in AI adoption. If it's cheaper, everyone's going to want it. Second, expect fierce competition among AI providers. Companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft will be battling to offer the most cost-effective solutions. This could lead to a price war, which is great for consumers, but also forces these companies to innovate like crazy to stay ahead. Third, AI will become democratized. It won't just be the domain of big corporations anymore. More individuals and smaller organizations will have access to powerful AI tools. Finally, even with lower costs, the overall demand for AI will explode, leading to massive investments in AI infrastructure, data centers, chips, the whole shebang. Now, let's look at the second-level impacts, the ripple effects that will hit other industries. Software development is going to be completely transformed. AI-powered coding assistants will become ubiquitous, leading to faster development cycles and potentially changing the roles of software engineers. Scientific research will also see a revolution. AI can analyze vast datasets, automate experiments, and generate new hypotheses, accelerating breakthroughs in medicine, materials science, and countless other fields. We'll also see a rise in AI-powered automation across industries. Manufacturing, customer service, data entry, anything involving repetitive tasks is ripe for automation, which could lead to increased efficiency but also potential job displacement. And finally, education. Imagine personalized learning platforms powered by AI, tailored to each student's individual needs. It's a game changer. But here's a wrinkle, the rise of companies like DeepSeek. They're developing AI models that are more efficient and require less specialized hardware. This could put pressure on companies like NVIDIA, who currently dominate the AI chip market. If DeepSeek's approach proves successful, it could mean that the current hardware-intensive approach of OpenAI and others is less sustainable in the long run. This is a huge deal because it could shift the entire landscape of the AI hardware industry. Now, let's get to the big picture. The third-level impacts on society as a whole. This is where things get really interesting and potentially concerning. One major risk is increased inequality. While AI could create new opportunities, it could also exacerbate existing disparities. Those with the skills and resources to leverage AI will likely benefit disproportionately, while those without could face job displacement and economic hardship. We're talking about a potential widening of the gap between the haves and have-nots. Speaking of jobs, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Will AI create more jobs than it destroys? The truth is, we don't really know. AI-driven automation could lead to significant job losses in certain sectors, particularly those involving routine or repetitive tasks. However, it will also create new jobs in areas such as AI development, maintenance, and ethics. The net effect on employment is incredibly difficult to predict, and it's something we need to be paying close attention to. Another crucial point. Countries and companies that are leaders in AI development and deployment will gain a significant economic advantage. This could lead to shifts in global economic power. Think about it. If a country controls the most advanced AI technology, they could dominate industries, control information, and even influence geopolitical events. This is a serious concern that needs to be addressed through international cooperation and responsible AI development. And then there's the ethical minefield. Wider AI adoption raises serious concerns about bias, privacy, security, and the potential for misuse. AI models can perpetuate and amplify existing biases in data, leading to discriminatory outcomes. We need to develop regulations and ethical guidelines to address these concerns and ensure that AI is used for good, not for harm. This isn't just a technical problem, it's a societal one. Let's talk about some potential technical risks. Altman's prediction relies heavily on the assumption that current scaling laws will hold indefinitely. But what if there are diminishing returns? What if we hit unforeseen bottlenecks? Over-reliance on scaling laws could lead to overinvestment in a potentially flawed approach. Also, the dependence on massive AI infrastructure, like the Stargate project, creates dependencies on specific companies and geopolitical risks. Delays in infrastructure deployment or political instability could significantly hamper AI development. From a business perspective, there are plenty of risks to consider. The AI market is highly volatile, and investor sentiment can be fickle. A negative event, like a major AI failure or a regulatory crackdown, could lead to a significant downer. OpenAI also faces increasing competition from other AI developers, which could erode its market share and profitability. And the massive capital expenditures planned by tech giants like Amazon and Microsoft create pressure on smaller players like OpenAI. Can they compete with those kinds of resources? Let's dive deeper into the ethical risks. Altman himself acknowledged that OpenAI's past stance on open-source AI might have been a mistake. A continued closed-source approach may stifle innovation and limit the benefits of AI to a select few. It also raises ethical questions about control and access to powerful technologies. Who gets to decide how AI is used? Who gets to benefit from its advancements? These are crucial questions that need to be addressed. So, what does all this mean for the future? The bottom line is that cheaper AI promises many benefits, but it also presents significant challenges. We need to be prepared for potential job displacement, increased inequality, and ethical dilemmas. We need to invest in education and training to equip people with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-driven economy. We need to develop regulations and ethical guidelines to ensure that AI is used responsibly and for the benefit of all. This isn't just about technology, it's about shaping the future of humanity. In summary, Sam Altman's prediction of a 10x annual drop in AI costs is a game changer. It could unlock unprecedented progress and transform our world in countless ways. But it also presents significant risks that we need to address proactively. We need to have open and honest conversations about the potential impacts of AI on jobs, inequality, and ethics. We need to work together to create a future where AI benefits everyone, not just a select few. What do you think? Are you excited about the potential of cheaper AI? Or are you worried about the risks? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI news and analysis. Thanks for watching.